Yes, sir. Sir, very happy morning to all. Sir, I believe that you all are doing very good. Here I am doing good, my dear lovable students. This video is mainly for the students who are going to write in the coming May examination, that to Inder. If you are going to write the Inder examination, as we all know that this is the month of February, we have crossed the half of February actually. So we are having February, we are having March, and we are having April. We are going to write the examination on May. Generally in May, we used to get some 10 days extra to start the exams. But this time, since both final is there, foundation is there, and also Inter is there, that cushion we don't have. So my dear lovable students, if you are going to write in this May, you should have completed at least 20% of your portions by this time is the ideal completion. As you all know that, we are following ANM concept. That is, every subject we have classified into 5 categories. So this is the first wake up call for you to check that whether you have completed the first part of your part number 1. Sir, with regard to advanced accounting, you should have completed schedule 3. As we all know that it is a format based chapter and it is an expected 10 mark area for examination. And cash flow statement, my dear lovable students, it is a part and parcel of the financial statement, especially the indirect method plays a major role. And very 3 small AS, AS1, AS4 and AS5. Sir, in face-to-face classes, we have completed this part number 1 fully, and in virtuals also we have done this part. So if you are having any pending, try to complete with as quick as possible. And our face-to-face class students are writing 1 mock examination from part number 1, and I will be uploading that question paper for the virtual students for free very soon. With regard to law, you should have completed 3 parts. One is preliminary, dividend and charges. These are the 3 chapters you are supposed to be completed by this time. With regard to DT, my dear lovable students, you should have completed salary and house property. Actually, this is part and parcel of the second part, which is PGBP, TDS, TCS and advanced tax. We have completed the salary and house property, and even I have uploaded the salary and house property free resources, sir, PDF also for you. And in the coming days, I will be doing free marathon for the salary and house property, a quick revision for the students who have completed part number 1. With regard to IDT, you should have completed supply, tax rate for composite and mixed supply, levy and collection of GST, CGST and IGST basically, and composition levy, sir, section 10. My dear lovable students, if you are having any pending on part A, from tomorrow onwards, start your part number N. Basically, start amalgamation from advanced accounting. All the asset related standards such as AS2 valuation of inventory, AS10 PPE, AS13 investment, AS26 intangible and AS28 impairment, my dear lovable students. And with regard to law, you prepare incorporation, very important chapter, prospectus and share capital and debenture. And from DT, you have to prepare PGBP, TDS, TCS and advanced tax. And in IDT, you have to complete exemption. And when you are doing the part number 2, ensure that you are cumulatively revising part number 1. That means at least 1 question you are doing from schedule 3. Even I will be revising schedule 3 and cash flow statement in the coming 15 days in the YouTube live itself. I am planning for the advanced accounting revision, DT and IDT revision, because here we will be revising the part number 1 that we will give it for the benefit of the virtual family also. So my dear lovable students, if you have not started your preparation yet for the coming May, time is very important. Don't, sir, stretch. Don't, sir, start by today itself or by tomorrow itself. Just like that, if time goes and if you are pending only with the remaining, sir, 55 or 60 days, we will not be able to manage that. Go with the flow and a fantastic plan. That plan will make you success. If you have to achieve big things in life, we have to plan very properly. Surpassing CA is one such big thing, my dear lovable students. And now, many students were asking for me for the last 2 years when I started the ANM classes face-to-face at Chennai, Nungambakam. Sir, whether you are having virtual classes. At that time, really we don't have, because we were not in a position to do both at the same time. But now we have equipped both faculty wise and also technological wise. So it's very happy to, sir, inform you all that our classes are even available at virtuals also. That too, it is available with the requirement of the students. You can, if it is a regular class, we are having 9 months validity, or if you are a mini regular, we are having a 90 days validity, or if you are looking for certain papers like, sir, 60 days only I just want to complete this, that is also available. For that, you can go and check our website for the class details, my dear lovable students. Based upon the validity, we have kept our classes at the very affordable prices as compared to face-to-face classes, my dear lovable students. So, after every part, I will be coming and, sir, informing you that whether this has been completed or not. And once we do the part number 2, we will be revising part number 1 even for the, sir, virtual students also. So I think that's it for the group number 1, and I will be uploading a free question paper from part number 1 that you can write in your home, and will be uploading the answer paper also. You can check that answer, sir, and you can understand where you have gone wrong with regard to that paper. I believe that things are going very good. Plan yourself. Take next 15-20 days, my dear lovable students. Complete part number 2. I will come and check that what is your status, and if you are really following this, don't be hesitant to put a comment below the comment section which is updating of the study pattern. And if you are feeling, anyone is feeling this as beneficial or good, or anything from our side extra, sir, please inform us by way of the comments. We are ready to serve you. We'll meet at the appropriate time with an appropriate useful video. Till that, thank you and bye-bye from ANM. Take care of yourself.